Hi Capricorn, this is your next 7 days reading. I'm going to look at your energies. This is for the collective of Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, people having multiple placement of Capricorn in their chart. So people who identify as Capricorn can watch this. So what's happening around you or in your when we start this reading, what has fallen for you is the Three of Pentacles in almost in reverse. So this means that there is an energy which is a bit uncollaborative. It's not cooperating. There could be an energy of undermining of team effort. There could be an energy of no recognition or no appreciation for whatever you do. So these energies could be affecting you. However, in this period, there is some dawning of truth with the Ace of Swords. This is the environment energy. Truth will be revealed to you. Truth will be revealed to you and a path will be shown. There will be a victory in a chaotic situation. So there could be a lot of things which you have to work through. They are not so good, but you are showing or you are being shown the path. And with the angel cards of the angel Mihail and Hakamia, the strength. So Empress and the strength comes for you through Mihail and Hakamia, and it's not Michael, it's Mihail. So God, Father, the generous Mihail, will give you fertility, fruitfulness, assures you peace in a difficult situation between a couple and helps peaceful solutions. Strength, Hakamia, the raising God, will give you loyalty, deliver you from those who seek to oppress you. So it will bring some kind of victory. So these are the two cards here. So the discord that you are going through will be resolved in this period with the Six of Swords and the Four of Wands. You will be deciding to move on from a situation, crossover from difficulty to a peaceful place, a ceremony, a happy ceremony, a reunion of some sort. Some rich rewards can also come to you, balance in the couple relationship, and good outcomes can come to you, whether it is in your difficulty, whether the difficulty is in your work life or in your personal life. There will be a situation that will close to a balance. So basically partnership balances will happen because you will decide to move on from a difficult situation, take a break, go on a journey, or mentally move away from something, and that is going to place you in a joyous environment, and you will seek some rewards and joy in your family situation. So with the moon and the strength, what is happening is the fear, uncertainty or difficulty, because moon is transiting from Sagittarius to your sign, and that's why there is this cause of some doubts, but this uncertain energy will be passed by you with lot of strength. So compassion, strength, patience is required at this time. There is no need to get worried because of uncertainty, and you will show a little bit of courage as well in this time period to get through a situation which seems to be difficult. So whether it is your health, whether it is your work, whether it is your family life, you are going to show some compassion, strength and a bit of confidence in this time period. So what is coming to you in the week is justice with temperance. So justice with temperance means that you won't be harsh, you will speak your truth, you will be fair to others, and you will be patient with others, and things will be sorted without harshness or without rudeness. That's what I see. With the Seven of Wands, you will demarcate your boundaries here, and you will deal with your challenges, and you will be safe. So that's the energy I am seeing, fiery energy of Sagittarius and Leo. And Aries is here with the energy of Libra. So there is a possibility that you will be dealing with a Libra or a fire sign, and you will be guarded with these energies, and you will be showing great strength. Some of you could be having Leo in your chart, or you could be governed by moon could be important for you, and you are going to show courage in this period, and you will be reserved, and you will be demarcating some boundary with people. That's what I am seeing. Or you will be bringing back structure in a discordant team spirit or unity situation. So there is this possibility unexpectedly in this time period. Ace of Cups and the Knight of Swords. So Ace of Cups and the Knight of Swords can mean that quickly you will make a move, or you will go fast regarding a decision, or a news of recovery will come to you, or you will find a new love or a belief in a new love situation, and you are going to tell everyone about it, and you will be a bit you will be short and sweet regarding this announcement. So unexpectedly you will make a quick decision regarding opening your heart, maybe becoming more generous, maybe, or trying to recover from sad energies to an energy of innocence, purity, or kind of more forthcoming with your heart towards others. That's what I am seeing, but with a cold calculation that is also there. So in terms of your work situation, I am seeing growth with the Empress card here. With the Empress, you will be growing, nurturing. There will be a kind of feminine effect on your wealth, health, prosperity. And with the Six of Pentacles, you will be generous. You could be paying back, or you will be receiving your funds. And with the King of Swords energy, you could be dealing with a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you will be, if you have air in your chart, you will be cold, calculated, honest, and planned in this time period, putting a structure in your giving and taking, your transactional energy. Some of you are doing business with your mother. You will be taking money from mother or finances from that source, or you will be deciding upon a situation of financial matters in a new launch, new business. You could be starting that, and funding will happen, and because of your planning and putting things in structure. So there is a calculated way of doing things, with an intellectual way of doing things in this period. Funding will come to you, and you are going to launch a project, and you will make this project safe from losses. That's the kind of energy I am seeing. There is a house matter here. With a house situation, you will be dealing with a house, buying or selling of a house. Unexpected income could be coming in at this time. You will make something official, or you'll be meeting an official person. You could be someone who wears a uniform as well. There will be a community involvement, community. Some of you are doing community occupation. There is the occupation card, so you will make a decision about your occupation at this time. And King of Swords is the outcome. So King of Swords again coming as your outcome can mean that you will be honest, smart, forthcoming, communicative, and very, very strong in your decision, judgment, your conversations, and you are going to put solid things on the table for a consolidation regarding your job or regarding a interview, regarding something you want to put across to your family. You'll be honest about it, and this energy will come to you after reflection, separation, and letting go of difficult aspects that were bothering you. So there is this hermit and the hanging man, which will bring in this communication that you are going to give to your family or people around you or your organization. Direct talk will happen because of reflection and letting go energy and change in perspective. This is going to happen. So fortune wise, unity card has come for you. A time of divine understanding, renewal, peace and hope. You radiate and attract great love. So love wise, unity will happen. Otherwise, there are thorns on your path. So the thorn card has come to you. So you will be weathering the challenges ahead, and you will bring in a new and positive future at this time with the thorns. And the Fool card here tells me, have the courage to embrace change, take risks, and be adventurous at this time. So some of you are taking a leap of faith, deciding to start a new venture, new launch, new business, and you totally believe in it, and you are putting across your thoughts very clearly to your near and dear ones or your bosses or your partners in this time period. So this is your reading, Capricorn, for this week. If you have liked this reading, please like, share and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, you can contact me through the email ID or the comment box. Keep watching my channel Tarot Priestess 1313 for more. Bye bye.